Micro-Touch Titanium Max, the micro-precision trimmer that goes where no other grooming tool can to finish your look perfectly.
Ears, nose, in between the eyebrows. It is the finishing tool.
It's incredible. It's the difference between having a good groom and then taking it to a great groom.
Micro-precise trimming with an ultra-thin head that goes beyond where clippers and scissors can. Close as a blade, yet safe to the touch. Now, with micro-oscillating German stainless steel blades, bonded with titanium that finishes your groom like nothing else can. Watch. Eliminate that unibrow with pinpoint precision. Easily remove ear hair with no plucking. And nose hair? Gone with quick, painless precision with Titanium Max.
It is the ultimate finish. You look fresh and dialed just like you would coming out of a barbershop.
It is what I use to finish my groom the right way every time.
The Titanium Max, it gives you that finishing touch. It's something you can't beat.
The Titanium Max ultra-thin head with perfectly angled side-mounted blades goes where other trimmers can't. No nicks, cuts, or irritation. And look, snap on the comb to tame bushy eyebrows in seconds. Perfectly. And touch up mustaches, beards, goatees, and sideburns fast.
Listen, you can keep cutting your hair with clippers and scissors and have that okay look, but with the Titanium Max, it takes it over the top.
Portable cordless power with a non-slip grip and an LED spotlight.
If you're not finishing your groom with Titanium Max, you're not grooming.
Micro-Touch Titanium Max, the finisher for the ultimate groom.